Hi there, I'm Mrs. Shauna Adam. I'm a teacher, a mom, and a grandma. And what we're going to do today, we're going to do a counting exercise. Now, I am in my daughter's house, and I am going to count how many door handles there are. So when you are in your house, you can count how many door handles there are. Let's see how many door handles. Oh, I know. I need a counting stick. Oh, where is my counting stick? What can I use for my counting stick? Why, I guess I can use a spatula. I can use this as my counting stick. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to put my paper down. I'm going to put my marker down. And I'm going to take my counting stick and I'm going to count. Ready? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 door handles. Oh, no, wait. There's another one. Here's another door handle. 4. There are 4 door handles. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to write down with my marker. You can use a pencil. I'm going to write the number. Four. And I'm going to draw a door. And the doors are in shape of rectangles. I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't make that last line holding video camera and do it. There I go. I can do it. And my door handle is round. There it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's the number 4. Okay? So you go count door handles in your house and draw a picture of your doors and door handles. Maybe your door handles look a little bit different. Oh, and don't forget the kitchen, because the kitchen, in your kitchen and the cabinets, there are a lot of handles on the doors. So go do it to it. See you later, Gators.